If netizens hold about 300,000 calculations and want to choose an imported coupe, which one will you consider? In fact, there are not too many choices of imported models in this price segment, and even fewer of them take into account both comprehensive strength and cost performance, but there are exceptions. This is the 2026 model around me. The BMW 4 Series not only has enough models to choose from, with a 2.0 connected engine capable of reaching 180 kilowatts, but also an M Sport suspension price plus variable sports steering system, matching BMW's classic 50-50 counterweight and rear drive layout. The handling precision and the communication vibe between drivers and vehicles surpass others in its class, deeply inheriting many M-Power handling genes. Let us delve into this car together. The 2026 BMW 4 Series lineup officially launched this April, featuring 3 body styles, a 2-door coupe, a 4-door coupe, and a convertible model, providing diverse options for enthusiasts. Until I went to see 348,000 to 518,000 yuan at home, at present, the quotation in the terminal market is 329,000 to 518,000 yuan, and the preferential profits are quite impressive. Your 425iM Sport Suit version is an example. The seller's price of this version starts at 333,000 yuan. The income transaction price is 299,000 Mercedes-Benz CRE entry-level version, and the trader quotation has started at 407,600. Calculated, the entry threshold of 4C is obviously lower. In terms of appearance, the 2026 4 Series continues BMW's iconic large-size double-upgraded mountain with dot matrix structure decoration inside, which is highly recognizable. The lower enclosure is a 3-section design, and the diversion grooves on both sides are not small in size, so the sense of movement is in place, and the side is also very attractive. The slip-arm shape is well done with the necessary sporty temperament of the mine-free door coupe. In terms of car size, the 2-door Baoqiangkun height is 473 m, 1852 m and 1395 m, and the wheelbase is 28.51 m, and the 4-door panel length is 4788 m, and the wheelbase is 2856 m. Below Chen Wei-Pei's duckling tail and Shun black tail lights, there are 2 dynamic parades of exhaust layout on both sides. Moreover, 7 kinds of personalized quality specially painted cars have been added in the 2026 model, including frosted sub-angle sea track green and other high-quality color choices, which will be richer. In terms of the trunk, the volume of burning door panels is small, with the trunk volume of the hardtop sports car version 440 liters, while the soft-top convertible only has a larger private door panel volume of 385 liters, and the trunk volume of the front CNR structure model is 470 liters. The positioning of this car, which can be expanded to 1290 liters, is originally a coupe biased towards the driver. The rear space, including the trunk, is not its strength, but generally this car will not be used as a grocery cart, so the trunk will have little impact on travel if there is only one car at home. The 4-door panel will be more practical to sit in the car. The interior design of this car takes a relatively simple route. The 12.3-inch full-body instrument and 14.9-inch central control screen become an integrated floating curved screen. Equipped with the 8.5 generation BMW operating system, which is a wireless CarPlay and OTA upgrade, the general entertainment needs can meet the steering wheel, which is made of leather and has a solid grip. Changing the broadcast film is standard, and in terms of seats, the whole series comes standard with heated front seats and electric adjustment. The sports-style seats are well wrapped, and the next 2 have M Sport suspension, variable sports steering system, and carbon fiber interior, which has a stronger sporty atmosphere. Compared with the luxurious and refined 4 Series of Mercedes-Benz Cli, it focuses on the driving-oriented simple style. Will the friends of the Loop Coupe prefer the style tuning of the 4 Series? In terms of complex driving, the 2026 4 Series is equipped with L2 level assisted driving as standard, including active cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic dial and fold assist, and routine reversing image. The traditional luxury driver assistance system is often not as good as the new thing. Now it seems that the configuration of the 4 Series in this respect has made great progress after stacking and updating. In summary, the function is more practical, and the long and short reading lines can be dealt with more easily. In terms of space, the 1.65-meter adult sits in the rear legroom of the rear double door panel for 2 circles and 3 fingers. It is no problem to escape the bureau and do some short heads, but it is estimated that it will be a little tired to ride for a long time. 4-door panel rear space is relatively generous and suitability is higher. In terms of gravity, this car is all equipped with a 2.0 T4-cylinder engine, equipped with an 8AT gearbox front and rear drive layout. The 4R I Love version has a maximum power of 135,000 watts and a torque of 300 Nm. The daily driving power is enough, and the output is smooth for home use. The 430i version has been upgraded to 180 kilowatts and a torque of 400 Nm, and the power reserve is obviously more sufficient. Those who pay more attention to performance can be considered. The chassis adjustment of the whole vehicle is biased towards the sporty style. The roll control is excellent when turning a corner, and the feedback from the drop bar is clear. When you commute at ordinary times or occasionally take family and friends to climb a mountain, you need to climb a mountain and have a good experience. In short, regardless of the power configuration, the performance and handling are good. So how to choose the configuration? The lowest price of M Sport Suit is less than 300,000, and the basic configuration is complete. Friends with a cost-effective ratio can pay attention to it. If there is a high pursuit in animals, spending tens of thousands more to choose the 430iM Sports Pharmaceutical Suit can be exchanged for better power and more complete sports kit. It's more exciting to drive. Generally speaking, the 2026 BMW 4 Series is an imported coupe with uncontrolled doors, with outstanding driving pleasure. It has a rear drive layout and a good discount at the terminal. On the whole, this car is relatively competitive in the 300,000 class sedan market. For a thrilling drive and premium brand appeal with moderate rear space needs, the 4 Series is worth a test drive. That's all for now. See you next time.